wallet. When you open your Trust wallet, so this is what you do. So this is what you do. You then click on setting. When you click on setting, you click on preference. You click on currency. You now search for Naira. So search for Naira. Search for Naira. Keep on searching for Naira. So you get it on Earn. Click on Naira. And when you click on Naira, it will not done. It will not show you Naira. So as you can see it here now, this is just it. Thank you.